Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It will be another beautiful day. Today I'm about to review a black mask that I normally use to cleanse dead skin. It's more of like scrubbing skin, but now it's a cold mask. And I found it interesting because it has been working for me. I know you're wondering why am I doing this at night. It's because I always cleanse my face during the night before I sleep to open up my pores, to let them breathe in. And so that's why I decided to do the masking at night and share with you the kind of mask I use. It's called Dexe. I don't know if it's Dexe or Dexe Black Mask. It's an acne purifying cream, especially people who are suffering from acne. I would advise for you to do this because it has really worked for me. It has really cleansed the places that have like a small mask. And without further ado, I'm going to do the application and show you how it works. And by the way, this music you're listening from the background, I support my local musicians, and I love rock music. Tell me, what do you think about the song? It's Habits by Rish. Yes, Rish. She's called Rish. Well, you might be wondering how much it cost me. Dexe is only about $30. That is equivalent to 300 shillings. You might be asking yourself where I bought it. I bought it in our cosmetic in Karatina, Kibaki Road. It's a beauty cosmetic called what? Best Lady. Yeah. Best Lady in Karatina is my usual shop for buying cosmetics and all that. So I'm about to show you a creepy face, and it's quite messy, and it's quite let's do this. This is how it looks like today. It's more like this, it's more like powder, it's more like this. It smells nice too. So I'm about to do this, and so don't get worried about it. So watch and learn. It's application moment, so I'm gonna use this manual, of course, and I have to have like a kind of wrap before I mess up my shirt. So it's more like that. And on to application moment. It's application moment. And I'm about to wait for it to dry up. It's supposed to dry like 10 minutes or so. I'll let it sit on my face. It's quite a messy game. It's not tired for me. I look for now. Dead skin ripping off my skin, and it's a deep cleansing. And why am I calling it a deep cleansing? Because it purifies the skin. It purifies your skin, especially the people who are also oily faced. So I'm gonna take my time and sit on this. I'm gonna clean this and come back and show you how it is peeled off. So give me time. Guys, I'm still waiting for it to dry. I know it looks scary. It takes some time though. Yeah, you can see how I look like. It's like a thief. I know I look funny, but this is how it works. It's the best mask ever. I can't complain about it. And I've been using it for quite some time, so I would recommend someone to buy this. Yes, it only costs $30, so I think it's affordable. So go get it. Guys, it's still drying up, so it's like influence. Then I start peeling it off. I'm feeling quite funny because it's drying. I was quite in a hurry, that's why I didn't apply. And by the way, I didn't tell you, you're not supposed to apply on your eye, especially your eyelids. You're supposed to avoid, because actually they're written you're not supposed to put it on your eyes, and also your lips definitely. So when it's drying up, I'm still feeling quite funny because it's sticky. I'm feeling like, oh, I can't open my mouth. And I'm going to give another 20 minutes so that I can peel it off. Well, I have to tell you honestly, while peeling off, since it's not your skin, it's not quite a rosy process. I'll show you like when I'm done peeling it off. I'll show you at some point how I peel off, but let's give it another 20 minutes. And then you see the reaction of the skin before and after, and you tell me whether you like it. Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? So let's wait and see. Yep. Guys, it's peeling time. This is how you peel. I've already started peeling now. You start from above. So I'm gonna do this peeling thing, and this is supposed to go down like that. So I'm peeling. I hope you can see the dead skin on the mask. It's quite interesting. It's fun. It's fun to peel it off. I'm gonna peel it all of it, and then I'll show you later on. Give me 5 minutes. Guys, I don't know if I'm noticing the change. My skin has already tightened up, and this is the aftermath of it. Dead skin is already having some oily stuff from the dirt from the skin. So I don't know if you're noticing how bright I've become, or I have to come closer because of the lighting. As you can see, I'm going to remove these remaining ones, and then I cleanse my face with a towel and apply a moisturizer in 4 minutes. And voila, I'm done with my cleansing, and applied some oil to make it look to moisturize my skin. So I advise for anybody else to go and try this black mask. It's an acne purifying peel-off mask, and it is very affordable. It only goes for $30 depending with cosmetics you go to buy to. So continue subscribing to my channel. Click the subscription button and the notification bell for you to get more of my vlogs. and let's get to know each other. Thank you for watching, and this is what we call Dexe. It's my #1 partner when it comes to cleansing, because it's a deep cleanser. Go try it out and tell me how it worked for you. Thank you for watching, and good night. I'm out.